This is the final video to solve IDE completely freezes bug when commenting code in JetBrains Rider. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve IDE completely freezes bug when commenting code in JetBrains Rider, and I'm going to share them with you. Method 1 addresses the core issue by invalidating caches and restarting the IDE. This works because corrupted or outdated cache files can cause unpredictable behavior, including freezes, especially when the IDE performs operations like code parsing or indexing, which commenting can trigger. Method 2 involves updating JetBrains Rider to the latest version. This is crucial because developers frequently release patches to fix known bugs and performance issues. A freeze during commenting is a prime candidate for a bug fix in a recent update, ensuring the software is running on a stable, optimized build. Method 3 focuses on disabling specific plugins. Some plugins, particularly those that hook into code editing or analysis, can conflict with Rider's core functionality, leading to instability. Removing or disabling a problematic plugin eliminates this interference, allowing the IDE to comment code without external disruption. Method 4 suggests checking and potentially adjusting IDE memory settings. If the IDE doesn't have sufficient allocated memory, it can struggle with resource-intensive operations like commenting large blocks of code, leading to a freeze as it attempts to manage memory. Increasing the heap size ensures it has the resources to perform these actions smoothly.